Hey everybody, my name is Tyler Smith. This is TZS Outdoors. I'm shooting my first video today, so hope you guys like it and enjoy. The creek's right there. We're actually going to go down this way a little bit and cut down because there's a deep pool over there, and then we'll probably work our way over here and try to fish a deep pool over there. So to locate at least one fish. So here we go. This is probably the worst time to start a YouTube channel for fishing, but you know, I wanted to get it started as soon as possible. Maybe I should have asked for a camera for my birthday. That way it'd have been a good time to start a YouTube channel. This creek right up here in front of me normally holds decent fish. Normally this is a gravel bar though. So I mean, I don't know. It's definitely interesting. The way the water, the creek changes so much. Yeah, see there's a light gravel bar because apparently these fish are being super finicky. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Look at that. Beaver. Huh. It's like the only tree around that has beaver. They'll come up and eat that. That's cool. Alright. Try to get in a spot here. I'm going to set up right here somewhere. Like normally this is just an entire channel full of creek chub. Today I'm not seeing anything. So we'll buzz a bait out that way. See if I can find something shallow. I mean, I don't know anymore. These fish are just like not here. Alright, I have one last thing I can try to catch a fish. One last, oh, there's some creek chub. I just spotted some. I just saw the first fish of the day. School of creek chub. They were headed out into the deeper part of the big channel. They don't seem to want anything to do with this bait. So I'm going to rig up some live bait and try for one last hurrah. Try to get a creek chub or bluegill or something. Surely something will be hungry. That's the first, though, like, fish I've seen since I got here. All right, that should work right there. No weight, that's how I like to fish them. One of them will come right here. Open up the bail a little bit. I mean, that's just crazy. I mean, I'm catching nothing. For a second, see, they're in this deeper pocket. Just not getting them to bite. Oh, have a bite. Ah, all right, okay, I think I found him. See if I can get a bite. Oh, ooh, something came up. Got one. Yes, yes, creek chub. Never been so happy to catch a creek chub ever. Look at that ugly looking dude right there. On the ultralight, wouldn't hit anything else. So crazy. Look at that. This is this little dude, but that's actually a decent sized creek chub right there. On the worms for the release. All right, let's see if we can catch another one. That was just crazy. I think there's some more in there. If I can. That was terrible. We're gonna have to cast it. Stop trying to flip it and just cast it. There we go. It's in. Not seeing anything come up and hit it though. He might have moved further up the bank or further out. Try to whip it out there. Well, I caught one. That's great. Caught one fish on the ultralight in the creek. Creek saved the day today. I mean, they're just not really biting anywhere. So, I mean, normally I can't get a bite anywhere. So to get a bite made me so happy that I actually caught one. See if I can get another one. I got a few worms, so if I can just get a couple, I'll be happy. So they seem to be in this deeper pocket. They were literally right there underneath me. So I don't know if they moved up or what. I don't know what they did after I hooked into that one. They don't. I don't know. I'm just so happy right now that I caught one. Because these fish are so skittish right now, and I don't even know where to catch them. I don't know anymore. Fish are being so finicky. I just Don't know. That's so weird. Alright, I guess we're going to move further down, back down, and try to get into this big pool and see if they're hiding in it. I mean, the fact that I caught one, it just amazes me because I don't normally have this problem with catching them. I mean, normally, but that recorded that. All right, so now I need to back out here. Maybe we'll catch a fish. Caught one so far, so we'll see. They're in here, I know that. Caught one. So we're gonna roll with this lighter. This is a nice ultralight. And the worm, I mean, we're just gonna let it drift. Oh, got one. There's a fish. Got him. Yep. Oh yeah. Found one. Look at that. About the same size as the last one. Oh, and he's still swimming around. There he goes. That's what I call a quick release right there. You got some water in on the lens there. That was awesome. All right, let's see if I can catch one more. That was awesome. I think I might have found him. Yep. Oh, missed him. Missed it. I think I found him. They're hanging just a little deeper. Yep. Ah, missed him again. Must be some little dudes. Alright, we're going to throw it a little higher up, let it sink. I know there's some big ones in there. I didn't even get a butt nibble that time. So, just maybe. I saw some swirls. Oh, yep, got him. Got one. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. A little smaller. But hey, right now I'll take it. He's longer. Creek chub, doing micro fishing. Went from bass fishing the big pond, you know, you just got to do what the fish are doing. These are slimy little suckers right there. Creek chub. Look at him go. Right there. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see him or not. But we'll see. Let's see if we can catch some more. Watch the line. The line will tell you if the fish is on. Yep. There we go. That's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, like and subscribe. This is TZS Outdoors signing out.